So we're short, chat. That's about it. We're shorting this. Chat, I'll play some music and drink some coffee, bro. Hey, what up, not your mans? I'm taking a stab at this short, brother. It looks good. It looks good. I got cooked on 840 last night. I had a good trade, got distracted, got cooked. I guess it's proven, bro. I'm cursed if I trade on Top Step. I got a fresh pack of cigs. I got coffee. I'll turn the camera a little bit. Got to get a t-shirt on. And play some gangster beat. Yeah, this right here in good chat. The high or low. I'm not digging at the 500. It's doing it again. Same shit like last night. I got a t-shirt on. Oh, fucking trading. Wife absolutely been murdering the market, bro, and I'm getting funded, running up couple of accounts. DOL will crush me and chase me down. Funded, couple accounts. DOL crush, chase me down. Fund it, crush. Fund it, crush. Fund it, crush. Bing, bong, bing, bong. Let's see, is it going to give it a pew pew candle? I'm bearish on the whole day. I'm anticipating a relief into the CPI, even though 4 hour looks primed to run. Relative top, high, high, lower high, contracting. It has the potential to make either a high or low on the 4, which could have been described as this, or equal. In my humble opinion, I'm long, I'm hedged anyways. 300s. 300s. I was shooting for 530s last night. And that didn't pan out. But yeah, maybe 300s. Like the real dippity dip. Here's a little bit too much. Market is opening in what, 6 minutes? 5 minutes and 40 seconds. I gotta figure out. Oh, Miser, what up, man? Salata, Batko. It's a shit salad. Fucking, let me get some lights on. Oh. Five minutes till the bell. Should I size down? This definitely can kick me out at 915. 921 big level. Did we price check it? Close 880s. Let's take a peek at it, yes. Yeah, there's money above, man. This could make a considerable move up before down. What are we up here? $100, man. I should size out before the bell. All right, 5 minutes. 416. Yeah, the stochastic is in the dips. The 27 looks good, but tap in 20, wait for it. Yeah, it's a relative top. Oh, the opening blast is it going? It could smoke me. Could smoke me. All right, I'm gonna trail one out. I'm gonna clear these. One out, 6 ticks. If it pushes, trail it. Well, 9 ticks, 33 ticks. I'm gonna trail one more out. 3 minutes into the bell. Let me put a stop above. Where was I? 9:15. I'm gonna hold one through the bell. After last night, I cannot let a good trade go to shit. That was unprofessional. I got distracted. I was too excited, talking shit, whatever. Yeah. Definitely we're in the pinch for the home sales. Yeah, which is coming at 10, and we're dancing at pivot. Or Nazi, we're dancing at pivot, and we're above the first support on pivot with ES. What do I got? 86. I'm risking 140. I have a $50 risk on top of what I've made. I'm not taking my $30 here before the bell. I'm risking it for the biscuit. I gotta figure out a way how to make the music play and not overlap, not get picked up by my mic. Yeah. Shorts at the bell, bro. Shorts at the bell. Enemy at the gate. We're gonna shoot him in the eye, or we gonna get shot in the dick. Woo! I might counter with one MES long. It is trying to pump. I've go down like a bitch. Good on me for taking profit. What we got? We got nothing. All right, minute and a half. Last night, dude. Last night we hit the previous TPO volume node, high volume node on the TPOs, and we went back up. Price of interest for the day 830s, 828s. We're put control when high volume node is. I was speculating that shorts covered. This was the second portion. It is a higher low. Probably that was legitimate buyers. Not real divergence, but yeah. Anyways, see what happens. 26 seconds. I'll give it 928. Risking $80. Risk on top of the puny gains I've acquired on one micro. Let me pick a nice target. Lower low. Here we go. One micro, $1,500. Off we go. Chilling, keeping an eye on time and sales. All right, 5 sevens, sevens, fives. That's 40 points at the bell. VWAP at 790. If we break below 790, 770s, straight shot to Asia low 660s. I had 60 points here. You see, I didn't have the kahunas to hold the full 3 size, but it's fine. It could have been a different story. So this is a good spot. In reality, it could make another higher low. So it's 750s. 744. Big price from last night, dude. Big price. Big price. This is where it turned around and it got me. Wait, this is where it turned around and it got me. That was there. I was sleeping and stuff. All right. Let's see the power of the trend line. Is it going to bounce and deprive me of my gains, or are we going to break 744 to the tick, baby? I should have taken profit. Now, win for the win. This is opening with good sell side momentum. ES is puking. I'm inclined to hold this just because the 27-minute chart cycle is not done and we turned over. Shout out to Steven Kalajan. Amazing too. Love you. Have a full port shorts. Hey, shit, I hope it worked out, my man. Iffy. We tapped first support below pivot and we're smoking it. It's looking good. All right, 100 points. 100 points. I'm gonna stay in it. ES is tapping pivot. 7779. Where's the voice PD opening up? We popped below 0. The VIX is set to uptrend. Tick index, in the mids. I guess I'm gonna stay in this. I'm gonna chill in this. I'm not gonna sweat it. I didn't sweat it last night. It is holding this trend line oddly from 744 no support. But I'm not seeing the buy size behind it. So more room to the downside. Potentially 700s, 696. I got 670, 647 little zone. Dude, to the tick. I should have taken it out last night. I went out for a slice of pizza, went up on top step. I got confused. Getting old, getting confused. 100 points from the bell. Good start on the day. What are we up here? 86 bucks. Let's call it a fucking winner. That's what I'm saying. And not your man's. If you full ported this, bro, let us know in the chat or in Discord how that go. You caught that puke puke skeet skeet. We are dabbling in decisions. This is very less likely to snap back in the second 15-minute portion. But fuck if I know. Nobody knows. I would have been half-assed done with this if I held the 3, but go figure it when it's contracting like that. I know we're getting data in a little while. Oh. All right. The next price check on 744, I'm moving my stop if it comes. If this sell-off momentum continues and we do not get that, or ES hits 7771, first support below pivot, I'll start looking for an exit. 670, 67. What? 150 handle so far. Damn, son, where'd you find this? This is probably it. I want to see this completely turn around the trend. Maybe make a pullback, and then potentially I'm going to add. If I don't get run over here. What's the 2000 doing? Gucci. Gucci. 27 flipped the script last night in these prices. Price checking. Let's see. Are we gonna get continuation? I'm way early. This is the proper short entry if it turns around below the 740, 740s. We're dabbling with VWAP. We're hitting VWAP here at 700. I'm using 2 standard deviation VWAP. So this is the second deviation below actual. Actual shifted 780s. Bottom deviation moving out. This punctured line. 150 handles. We price checked. It's good. It's good. Getting a little distracted, kind of talking over what's going on. Potential for a second price check at price. Uh, People jumped on this, and probably their stops are above. I could have added and slip out, double the win. Hey, 150 handles. Can't complain. 845s. I gotta make a decision how much I want to secure from this. That's a known low here. If we lose that, let me see the 4 hour. Yeah, this 4 hour is it's off. I'm sorry to say it, but it's off. It's a 4 hour that it's not off. Oh, what do we got here? 750s. This could whip back up. Yeah, this could whip back up. So 744s, 750s. I'm gonna wait. Let's see, is it gonna take the potential stops of the people that got in here? It's coming close. Yep, it's lifting up. Lifting. 750s, not much above. Hey, what up, Alex? Do opened up with the handles were. I had 3, but you gotta cap on some. So from 7, you know what? I'm gonna throw this with 240 ticks. Yeah, I'm gonna let it go. No, I'm not letting it go. It's gonna trick me. This is gonna trick me. It's too fast. Decision. If I'm gonna trail it, should I take it out? It is lifting stop. MES just setting up for a short. I'm gonna sell one here. Sell one up here. Yeah, 100 bucks is good. Seven, 6, 3. There we go. I don't want to add to M and Q. So open the side position with MES. We're below value, 766. See what happens in 744s. Yeah, you see, buy stops. Let's see, are we going to take out impatient shorts and continue without them? It is setting up on ES below VWAP. And everything else I got is somewhat confirming this. So I'm inclined to stay in it. Or I can take the NASDAQ trade out for 100 handles and over and continue holding the MES. But I'm not built like that. This is definitely starting. Early bird gets the worm. Some coverage. Oh, 40 lot. Let's see, is it going to seek out to fill I-10s? So far, 60. Is it going to find to fill higher? I ran out of coffee. Well, 2 cups, gone. Where is he? Yes. Here. $77.81. All right, we Gucci. Let's see, are we going to break this low? I had a little zone marked out here. Wait, let me drag that thing. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Is that news? That's probably news. What's hitting the wire? Not much. $570 price of interest. We make it to the 70s, it'll be good. These levels, man, to the tick. I could anticipate another finagle back to 744s. And if it doesn't turn around, then this is cooked. 170 handles. The greed. Greedy. More. Fucking Kylo Ren. We're plotting wave 5 on the 1. I gotta secure profits, chat. I'm not leaving without anything. This could fly up. Let me see the yeah. I'm good there. We price checked the previous low. We're pushing lower. Did we make it 460s? Yeah. 640s? Yeah, we did make it 640s. It's doing a triple cross on the bottom. I'm not ready to leave yet. Too close. 12 minutes till the news. Come on, give me the 200 candles. Yeah, we're bottoming out. Yeah, we bottomed out somewhat. There's more money on the Lolo. They covered some. 22 ticks. Tell you what, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm out. Trades. $364. That's 182 candles. Almost 200. It did plot it. I didn't take it out. I don't like us bottoming out. We take a peek at MES because I have an open position over there. Yeah, that's I'm gonna stay in. There's more money on the low. I can take the wiggle. I'm gonna get rid of this. I could re-enter Nasdaq. Not before the news. Nah, I'm already in a trade. If this is gonna go, it's gonna go. I'm itching to scalp a mini here. Nah. I'm staying in this. It's looking good. I was in early. First in, first out. And if there's gonna be a further move down, it's gonna be Captain Obvious, and I'm gonna catch to it. I might add on the break. What is it? 760. Let's see the PPO. $77.66. 77.66 week. It is going. I don't like a flat profile. It means chop. But we did create a lot of transactions on this candle. So I would stay in it. What's that? 450, another hundo. Yeah, I can handle the risk to stay in this. If this is gonna sell off throughout the whole day, it'll bring fruition. Eight minutes till the news. We're making ascending lows on the 15th. Quite wiki. And trading above this little consolidation here. It was spike sellers. Well, it was the spike buyers. Spike buyers, spike sellers, spike buyers again. Let me mark it out with this fantastic tool called a square. There we go. Honestly, let's use the channel. Coach Vince's favorite. Mm, yeah, it looks about right. We're at the bottom of the channel. I'm betting on a break and potentially price checking these buyers here in low 50s, 46s. I got 75.50. Maybe I'll take one there if it doesn't stop me out. News in 5.5 minutes, 6 minutes. What else is on the board here? US forces Panama flagship that the run blockade to Iran ports. Wall Street Journal. That ain't nobody got time for that. US existing home sales. Well, the home sales in Florida are kicking ass. So good news, bad candles. Goolsby speaks at noon, and the credit report of New York Fed credit report coming in at 11. So there's a whole hour of opportunity after the news hit. You know, a good professional would have taken it out at the bottom of the channel, but I have a signal that we're going to break through and continue further down, at least on the smaller time frames. And the bigger ones are turning around, especially with uh, Nasdaq, not so much, but ES has a divergence on the 45-minute highs, aka double top. Let me hit the wife making something if she's still in the house.
Let's go! Let's go!
What's gold doing? I would have been a buyer last night at 77, 44.50. Oh, we're still here. I guess. Where did it sweep? Here and pushed. Yeah, I'm not messing with gold. Screw that. Is it going to turn around to the top of the channel? Bro, that would be the dumbest thing if it smokes me out. 2 minutes. All right, I'm moving it out of the way for the news, and I'll bring it back. High conviction. Two minutes? Minute and a half. All right. It is good, Schmeizy, bro. It's good on the. It's good on Nasdaq. It's good on ES. At least on the 1 minute. 5 is kind of iffy. Flat 50 SMA, but I'm in. I'll stay in. Oh, big sell side. You see the big one. They ain't got much. All right. Good stuff. 59 seconds. Holding my breath. 40 seconds. I don't think it's going to be that much of a move. We're at the price where a 4-hour could flip. Glad I took out NASDAQ. It is flipping at the low on NASDAQ, but big O, but here we go. Hitting the news. What are the numbers? Good numbers? Oh wait, wrong thing. Where'd I go? Oh, here we go. Previous forecast. Bad numbers. Green candles. It's in the middle of the channel. All right, I'm taking one MNQ here. Where'd I go? I guess wife out of the house. I'm gonna play some music and go make some coffee. I'll be right back. Hey, chat, keep an eye on my trade. Chat, did you see what I did, dude? I entered oil instead of NASDAQ. Oh, Lord. Let me take that NASDAQ trade. I'm going to sell one. Risk the highs. Wow. I took a trade in oil. Took the trade in oil instead of, I didn't even see it. I need to zoom in on these things. I'm going to close the oil trade now. Down 20 bucks. Or good hedge against my NASDAQ. I'm going to lose them both. I'll leave them run. We're back to 787 70s. I'm going to play the beats and relax, man. Chat. The whole idea of adding at 715, it's the break of this pattern. Elbow top, neckline. I'll abstain from doing it just because we wigged down and reclaimed. I'm just gonna keep one lot, and that'll be it. If it goes, man. I'm looking for another over 200 pointer, so. Buying the ceiling, buying the ceiling. I think it's gonna stay here till the feds come up at 11. I'll definitely grade. Prime example. The price check 744, bounced again. It is, I know, chat. We made a low and it is bull flagging, setting up. But sometimes it's simple as that. Sometimes it's not. I put my money where my mouth is, so I'm short. It's too clean to be real. Call me a conspiracy. They mark 715. If I don't have enough lines on this chart already. Is 1,000 down? Yeah, off the 200. Shit. We stay in it. I like it. We stay in it. It has the potential. If it makes the move, I'll probably regret of not adding at 715, but we'll see. Stiggies. Maybe a fresh cup of coffee. How's everyone doing today? Any good trades? Con S4Y. Welcome to the server, dude. Stream. Check out the Discord. Sub for the channel. I haven't forgotten that I'm a streamer and there's gonna be a giveaway. There's gonna be a giveaway. Just had things to deal with. Life, as we all know it. What's gold doing? Gold is a quick way to cook some money. I'm not shorting it. It does look short. I'm not shorting it. I'll stick with what I got. Come on, do the 60, the 70, this little stack at 33s, and continue. MES trade back in the green. Back at 744. Come on, now or never. Do it. One micro. I don't feel like overworking, hunching over, going to the 500 tick and trying to capture every little trend or the 1 minute. If this is gonna sell today, one micro will do it. Already up $400 on a 50K account with one micro. I got two MES, one micro NASDAQ. Also, I'm looking at a setup on a little bit of a higher time frame. The 27-minute chart. And I got $1,000 DLL. Just can't go with a minute. It's a you don't know Top Step. It's a combine with Top Step. Yeah, I'm considering. I want to see a break of that 744 or strong continuation. So far, none of that. And potentially, if we're gonna hold, another price check at 715. If it turns around, I'll cut it. I'm keeping an eye on the order fills and time and sales. They're buying, they're selling in the same size in this chop. How I read it is somebody's getting rid of something. 5 minute, ah, iffy, rejected. It's trying to make a higher low. Probably, let's see the tilt. Yeah, they're long. It's going to thin out somewhat in this range till decision is made. That includes whipsaw action. I don't want to be with a heavy position in for like a 20 points down, 20 points up with like 9 micros and we're done. I got nothing better to do today, bro. Just relaxing. Completely flat. I keep buying these 49s, 50s, and 44s. It's sweeping 44s and coming back, snapping back. Where's that? CPI is tomorrow. I'm definitely not trading that. Well, maybe after. I don't know. Or before. Yeah, it's as real as it get. Are you going to get slipped? Yes. Especially if you're in with size. The feels are better than actual live. Yeah, it's turning around. ES as well. Ugly chop. See how much are we going to lift before it makes another attempt. It's jerking around. Tens, sixes. Come on, sweep those. 740s and under. Come on. We picked up sellers. Come on, sweep them. Well, maybe buyers, but no, I guess buyers. Man, these are buy stops. Still stops. We're trading tens on the micro contract. It's good. It's good. Somebody's abusing this range. My squeeze and sweep. And the flag. Oh, this must be wifey. Back to 744. Yeah, I know you got out. That fucking levels, man. Maybe I should have taken at the bottom of the chop. What was that? 734s. They bought some. Got a buy squeeze. Probably was a buy squeeze. And it's gonna turn around. I'm losing interest in this trade. Uh, Probably staying in it from boredom, but the setup is still there. So corner control in 27 and high volume mode at 763, vaguely 780s. We're staying below it. This is closing at, well, this open at 1027, closing at 1054. There's 22 more minutes. I'm in. I ain't going anywhere. Small double distribution. Only if I remember what Hope was saying. Probably shorts covered. Maybe they're going to cover some more. Maybe not. We're staying within value. I'm not digging it. This will take a lot of chop to break down. Flat, flat. These are not good conditions to be on a trade at all. 15 minute is barely turning around. If it's going to bounce, it's going to be here, and if it's going to sell off, it's going to be here. It's going to be something from the two conditions. So I'm inclined to wait for a little longer. I lost $40 on the mistake opening a trade on oil. I'm looking for 530s. That's what I'm in with one micro. 530. 28,530. Deep dip. It's right in the middle of the damn range. What time is it? 10:34. Usually cut it by now. Where's my lighter? There we go. Better get up or I'm gonna fall asleep. Shit. I was thinking about putting in 3. I'm not sizing into this. It's pulling a Asia on me. I'm gonna size into the move, and it's gonna kick me out for more than I'll want to. Oh, 37s. The closing sum. Where's the max 7 doing? Selling, Nvidia selling. Microsoft sold off. Apple sold off. Gap up, no run. Tesla cooking around back into the 5-minute opening range. Meta ran up significantly. AMD, mids of the 5-minute range. Nvidia price checking. Got yesterday's close, pre-market lows. Let's see if it breaks. Brings a little bit more validity to my setup. Absolutely gruesome chop. Quoting these where did the lines go? Oh, here we go. 744. They're fucking levels, man. I'm not adding. It's not obvious yet. It's not out the mud. ES is dancing on pivot. Probably run out of cigarettes before this plays out. Still passing those stands. Back and forth, back and forth. It's like a damn toilet seat. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Come on, make that move already. I've seen this pattern before. I'm starting to dislike it, but it's still valid. Can't go away. I really want to add a size in on a 720, 715 break. That 1 hour I mentioned in between the home sales and the New York Fed speaking, it's cutting close. It's 10:42 at 11 New York Fed and at noon Gooseby.
I am short right now from 739. I'm looking for a breakdown to 790s.
690.
And or yeah, six.
That's all good. All good. I follow you.
I'm gonna add to the short. I'm adding to it. Here I am adding to this short. I'm short 8.
Dakota short too.
8
I'm
by
throwing
short
Andre.
9.
Are the lows in?
Short 10.
That's enough fun. We cut that. Come on. 723s. Come on, break. Break the 20s, 15s. I know you want it. We turn around at 30 again. Oh, exhausting. You know, the moment I get out and it's gonna make the move. Let's give me that vibe. A tick counter would have been nice on this platform. Not gonna lie. Come on, more money below. Come and take it. They're trying to defend these levels. And I'm disliking what the 5 minute is doing here. Fed in 15 minutes. It's in the shits. Get rid of it. Yeah, Coach Dakota getting short was the signal, bro. To cut it. Kick. I'm not digging the long term and the hook on the 5 at all. I should be cutting this. Just stubborn. Stubborn, stubborn, stubborn. Yeah, I could have scalped the range. Fed in 12 minutes. Ascending lows, ascending highs. It's megaphoning. Here we go. Or close it now and put a short up there. Yeah, we break it 05s. I'm out of this. Put some music on. Nothing's happening, chat. I got nothing to say. Yo, Elliot, bro, good thing you hit me up, man. I was fading away. I was gonna take a nap. I almost dozed off. This thing started selling, so I'm gonna hold into it. I held into it. My price was proven right. Now it's a matter of time. I'm looking to take one out at the Lowe's on ES. I got two. I'm moving in for free, 100%. It's gonna take these, and it's gonna spill. But if it makes it to the very bottom, probably it's gonna make it lower. We're dabbling again with that trend line. And should I be the professional that I'm supposed to be and at least take one? We fall in chat. We're doing the 15-minute chart with small size. We have fallen. And look at the 500 real quick. It's good. It's good. I'll get this price. I'm confident I'll get it and beyond. It's going down without MNQ. What are you up here? 70 handles. 60, 70 handles. It's Gucci. And look at the 5,000 real quick. It did come to my zone that 715. I wanted to add here for a break, but looking how strongly we defended the low, debating on taking profits. But what did the news say? The news said greed, and that's what we're gonna do. Man, I didn't sleep well last night. Getting some volume on the dip. It's wave 3. It came to 715. Is it gonna break the neckline on this double top and continue, or is it just gonna fuck with me till the end of the damn session? Last wick, 733, 100 point wick. This candle, 803. Eyeballing it, 805. 100 point candle. Could this be a 100 point wick and I get absolutely railed? It is possible. Double distribution, shorts covering. Dada. Gonna switch to a 15. I'll give it this close and probably the next candle. We hit 7,771. Man, I need a nap. What is it? 11:11? That's bouncing back up. Tell you what, if it makes a relative bottom on this 5-minute close, I'll take everything out. Let me scare it down a little bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That looks good. I'm not adding, but I'll hold it. Man, I've been in this trade for shit. Where did I enter? Somewhere here? Yeah. 1 hour or so. Eh. 60 handles. Yeah, after staying in this for a fucking hour, I'm itchy to take this in. 1 minute is trying to print a relative bottom. Let's see, is it wave 2? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yeah. I'll wait. I ain't trailing this. Win for the win. 70, what, 65, 70 can handles. I already took a 100 pointer. Well, 200 pointer. Almost. Was it 100, 200? Fuck, fine. Don't matter. Let's see, what was it? 3 at 845, and I closed at 863. Almost 180. Who counts? Who's pocket watching? Who counts? We're getting close. The guy with the fishing rod. Yeah, we did these 400 and whatever lots, or we bounce to find more sufficient liquidity to take this. I think we take this. I'm confident we take this. What's this? $10 on ES? Not bad. Not bad. It's becoming iffy here. I'm taking one out. Here we go. Took one out. It's the bottom of the range. Already made this mistake today. And I'll leave it open. Screw it. What's MQ doing? Haggling at 715, 720s. I'm not adding. I wanted to add here. I'm not adding. Let's see if they start covering here with size is what we getting. There's more above. People looking through, maybe re-enter the 20s. Oh, 150 lot at 700s. Yeah, we definitely taking that. Now I gotta go take a piss. Hey, chat. Keep an eye on my trade. I'll go take a leak real quick. Check on the palm trees. Get up. We picked that 150 lot. Oh, I'm getting itchy to close this and call it a day. That's 75 points. Yeah, I was confident we're going to get it, but at the same time, 5 points, like 10, 20 bucks. I'm going to trail MES out. 16 ticks. I'll put it a little higher. Not even going to look at it. It's trying to make the relative bottom. 30 seconds to establish. It's turning wave 2. This could bounce here. 22 ticks. It is barely breaking the pattern. I'm getting tired of looking at it. One, two, third resistance below the pivot. ES hit target. Can't complain. Where did he shoot the shot? 7, 10, 7 on 7s. 7 6s. Okay, we're good. It is pushing a reversal pattern for a higher low. Not digging this. Is the Fed still speaking? No link. Yay. Goolsby at noon. We took 28 points of heat. It's stayed at 4. I'm gonna wait for the next turnaround. 7:45. It's gonna be the 44s. Ah, you cook. I'm gonna have one. Will this punish my enthusiasm? Wifey calling, hold on. It's now or never for that big boom boom downside. Hey, chat, this was a good ad. Patience pace, 725. I'm gonna take the big one out and leave the runner. 3, 2. Oh, bitch. Come on, sweep the 700s. 3, 2, 1. All right. Took that one out. Took the big one out. I think it took what, 70? I don't know. Let's see. Kind of 39. 70 points on a 30-point heat. That's what, 2 something to 1. Whoever's using ratios and RR and all that BS. I still got that MES, man, running. Let's see. I still have the trail behind it. I'm gonna choke it just because I like money. I'm choking it. MES, I like money. If it bounced from the filled me out. Good, 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 good. Very good. Ooh. What is it? 11:26, almost 11:30. I'm getting tired of this. Woo! Let's make the ghost bigger. Woo! Sell off. Let's wiggle it. Ooh, sell off. Yeah, it'll take a sweet minute. Break that 7:15, man. You know, I've grown impatient when you trading futures. You've been in a trade for an hour or so on a small account. Yeah, if we don't start breaking lows on the opening of the next candle, 15-minute auction, I'll probably take it. Just because 5 minutes doing this could bullshit. 1 minute is setting up. It's beautifully setting up. That's why I added, but at the same time, we're pushing relative lows. You never know. If it's gonna pull a stunt like this that I set in the trade for over half an hour, 45 minutes, and did nothing, or it's gonna bounce around this range for the next portion. I ain't gonna be around for that bullshit. I guarantee you that. You know what, chat? I'm gonna leave this one on. I'm getting hungry. It was your boy Doom. I appreciate you for coming by. I think there was like max 5 or 6 people that watched this. Let's do a quick review. Short before the bell. Took some profit for like 22, 20 points. Had almost a 200-point win. Short at 777. Took it 725. 50 some points, whatever, $100. Oh, wait, at 708. So 70 points or so. Took that. I'm holding one. Let's see what we did with MES. Short at 780s, 781, and got out for a $10 win on MES. Not bad. Is it gonna break out? Most likely. I'm risking. Let me get rid of all this jazz. I'm risking maybe 60% of a previous win on this continuation to potentially 533s. I hope you enjoyed the show. I'm cooked. I'm milked. I got tired last night. That show got on. I was on slow markets last night. If you missed it, anyways, I got distracted. Good trade turned into a bad trade. Fucked that up. Anyways, I appreciate you coming by. It's your boy Doom. I love you. Join the Discord. Whatever. Like, subscribe. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go have some lunch. Peace. I'll play the outro because I know you love that ha 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 beat.